Welcome! This video is a part of a series provided by Miami Dade College Learning Resources to help with the transition to EAB Navigate. Today's video is about setting up kiosks for student use. In order to set up a kiosk in EAB, first we need to know our redirect URL. For Miami Dade College, that link is as follows: http://mdc.campus.eab.com. In order to access EAB Navigate, you'll need to enter your employee credentials. After signing into EAB, you will land at your homepage. This page may look a little different between users based off of their designated access level. To set up a kiosk, we must scroll down to the footer of the page. Once at the footer, you will see additional modes at the bottom right section of the screen. Once clicked, you may be presented with up to two options: Appointment Center and Kiosk. To start a kiosk, select Kiosk. This will open a configuration menu that will allow setup of the location and services that will be available at that kiosk. From the list, select your desired location. If your location is not visible, contact your application administrator as the location may be inactive. After selecting the location, you will be prompted to select a service. The displayed services are tied to the location. You can either select one service or all services with the All Available Services button. If the service you are looking for is not present, contact your application administrator as the service may be inactive. After selecting a location and service, the kiosk will be set up. However, it will be open in a new browser. It is important to remember that your previous browsing window is still open. Make sure you are logged out and close out your original browsing window to prevent unauthorized data being viewed by students. Once closed out, maximize the kiosk to place it into full screen mode. You can either do this by pressing the maximize button at the top, or you can press F11 for the full screen shortcut. Kiosks will run unattended, but will eventually time out due to inactivity. This timeout duration is determined by the application administrator. That concludes how to set up a kiosk on EAB Navigate. Thanks for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.